This tutorial shows how to use Classwallet. So this website right here is app.classwallet.com. You can also just search for it. And if you've never logged in, you're going to do the first time user and create a login. Once you have, you're then going to log in. You'll want to connect a bank account. Go up to the three lines up here and choose Reimbursements and then to your accounts. As you can see, I've already created my account, so the process for adding an additional one would be to contact Classwallet, but this should prompt you to add in a bank account or bank account information. And what will happen is they will connect that bank account. They will verify it by depositing just a really small amount of money. I think it's under $1 into your account and then removing it. But they ask you in an email to verify how much money they put into your account. To start a reimbursement, just click on the Start a New Reimbursement. And you're going to say what store you spent money at and then how much. Type in the amount that you spent and click Next. And then you are going to upload a PDF or a JPEG of the receipt. And it's really just that simple. So you can choose to shop in person and then just get reimbursed for it, or you can also take advantage of the opportunity to shop within the marketplace. This sort of just links you to vendors that have classroom supplies. Since I buy things often that are not on this marketplace, I prefer to do my shopping at Walmart or on Amazon. Once you submit your reimbursement, it comes within about 2 weeks. You'll see that money just inserted directly into your bank account.